What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something special. I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are built to be launched in the MWC 2018 at Barcelona on the 26th of February, while pre-orders will start on the 1st of March and also sales will start on the 16th of March. But shout out to my friends in China, I was able to get the clone of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so I'm going to be unboxing that in this video. Before I start the unboxing, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down below and also click the bell button so that you get notifications when I post new video. Now let's get to it. So inside the box, I got some screen guard and it says Samsung, it says S9 Plus here. And then I have the casing, the pouch, a casing for the phone. It's like a rubber, it's transparent. If you can look at, if you're looking at it, you see it has a space here. This is probably for the flash, and this is probably for the dual camera, while the fingerprint sensor will be here. And under we have the earphone jack, charger port, and maybe the speakers and the microphone ports. By this side we have the power button, and on this side we have the volume button and this other button here. So now we're going to be opening the Samsung Galaxy to see how it is inside, whether it actually fits the specification. First of all, let's go through the specs written here. So we can see here it's written 4G LTE capable, okay, 6.2 inches full rectangle / 6.1 rounded corners, quad core HD Super AMOLED display, 12MP dual pixel main camera, 8MP front facing camera, IP68 dust and water resistant, iris scanner, secured by Samsung Knox, 128GB memory with support for external microSD card, 4GB RAM, Samsung Pay, wireless charging pad required so separately, Android operating system, earphones tuned by AKG. So that's the one I'm more concerned about, the earphones tuned by AKG. The other video clone I've seen, it says AJG, but this actually says AKG, so this is more likely to look like the original Samsung S9. So now let's go. Actually, this is the 128GB variant, so you can see it here, 128GB, and the box itself, it looks premium. So let's open this up. So now we've got the nylon off. So you see this, the pack here just slides off this, so have that out. Now we have the main pack for, wow, so it opens up here, you can see it just opens up, and now you can see the Samsung Galaxy here. So let's take it out and put it here. Let's see what comes in the box. You have the pack here and the quick start guide. As you can see, it's like instruction manual. I'm telling you guys, these things are looking really nice. They look like the original one. In here we have USB Type-C charger, We have the adapter. This is looking fairly light, so you can say this is kind of a fake. And here we have the earphones, and has AKG there, AKG. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. Now moving on to the phone, we take out the nylon off that, and we have a sticker here and it says Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm going to take that off, and as you can see, review the phone. And at the back we're gonna, oh, it has some sticker here, SH, so we're gonna rip that off also. I'm Voila, and it reveals the Samsung logo and the S9 Plus. So basically this is the blue. This is the blue variant. You can see there the camera, dual cameras, the flash and the fingerprint sensor. And on this side, that's the power button, had some stuff there, some glue. And on this side, and the volume rocker. We have the SIM tray up here, and down here we have headphone jack, USB Type-C, and the speaker. So now we're going to be putting on the phone so we can check the specs and do some testing on it. So we push the power button on. And you have that boot screen there. First of all, let's check the display. Let's see how bright it gets. So, okay, that's it. I want to check if the fingerprint sensor actually works. So, that done. That again. And now. So I'm putting my finger at the back. Okay. It's actually working. So this is adjust. And voila. Okay, finish. So let's lock the phone. Wow, did you guys see that? Let me do that again. Lock. Okay, let me try another finger to see if it's just an ordinary sensor. It's actually working. Okay, let's lock that again. We're doing this. Not recognized. And then I just do this. And it opens up. Guys, so I'm going to check the storage now. We go into storage. I kid you not. It's saying 128 gigabyte storage. 108 available, 11 gig for apps, 1.2 for pictures and video, 90 MB. Guys, this is nearly close to the original. I am baffled by what China has to offer. So let's start the test. So guys, this is the score. 14,270. So you just know that this is a low-end Chinese knockoff. This does not pass for any Samsung phone. Let's check the CPU. Oh my god, these scores are so low. So because Antutu does not show much, I downloaded Geekbench 4, and here you can see it says Samsung SM G9600, Android 7.0, CPU MT6580, 4 cores at 0 Hz, 4 cores at 3 Hz. Definitely that's gonna be a lie. So let's run the benchmark test. So guys, the Geekbench test has finished, and this is what we got. We got 403 for the single core and 1068 for the multiple core. You can see that's just basically a Chinese phone. Memory 1 gig RAM, 1 processor, 8 cores. Apparently that's going to be a lie. 4 cores at 0 Hz, 4 cores at 3 Hz. That's not true. So guys, yeah, that's what we have on this phone. It's a clone. Basically, it's just to show how it's gonna be. It can never come close to what Samsung is gonna provide. Yeah, well that's it. That's what we got on this phone. So I'm gonna put that in recording. This is a video from the front camera. Well, China, you can do better. I don't know if this is anything to go up. Well, it's whack though. So this is the camera, the video from the back camera. Well, you can see that video is really shaky. I don't know if there's anything like image stabilization here. You can see, oh, it is. Oh, this doesn't look any good at all. Oh my God! You would see that the camera is really struggling. Looks, wow. This is ladies and gentlemen, this once more China has failed us with the camera. So guys, that is the unboxing and testing of this Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus Chinese clone. Basically, making this video has been fun for me. I know this cannot really meet the specs of what Samsung is going to put out there. This is basically a clone. It's just going to show what you should expect in respect to the camera and the body and how the phone is going to be. So if you want me to carry out further tests on this clone, drop your comments in the comment section. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button and also click the bell button so you can get notifications when I post new videos. Until next time, I am Mastercard. See you.